We are recording. Okay, so I am Theda Blackwood, and I'm here with Joanie Neenan. Hello. And I just want to ask you, because we're just trying to get everybody to understand how the Theorem method works on all hair types. So, Joanie, tell us about your hair and what it's doing for you and how you use it.
Okay, awesome. Well, my hair is very, very thin. It's super thin, and I've always needed a bunch of products to give my hair some body. And I've actually never, ever been able to use conditioner, never. The only time I've ever used conditioner is at the hairdressers when they used it, but it always made my hair super, super flat. So I love the density. Like, I love it. Like hair, I said to my girlfriend, I'm like, I'm always touching my hair. I just love it. It just makes it feel so healthy, like really healthy. So what I do is my little routine is I'll wash my hair. I will towel dry it. And I definitely do the square root. I just spray it in and I massage it all in. I do about 2 squirts on either side and just really massage it in. And then I actually love the density as a leave-in conditioner. I've tried it both ways and I love it as a leave-in. So I just take a little bit of the density, you know, maybe like a pea size, maybe a little bigger. I go like this, I really rub it in, and then I start from the bottom and I literally go like that, all in my hair. And then I take the sugar pie, 1 little squirt, same thing, like I rub it really good on my hands. I just put it on my ends and then just kind of the shaft of my hair, and then I blow dry it. And what's so cool, Theda, is like today was a non-wash day for me. I didn't wash my hair today. So I know. So today, what I did was I kind of had a little bit of flyaways because it's getting a little cold here and a little staticky. So I just took a little bit of sugar pie, you know, same thing, rubbed it in my hands and just kind of went like that to, you know, help with the flyaways.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and then sometimes I'll use the square root on my non-wash days, but I actually didn't even use it this morning. So I love these products. They're awesome.
And thank you.
Fine and thin.
Thank you so much for sharing your how to use on fine, thin hair.
Thank you, Theda.
All right, see you later. Thanks again.
Talk to you later.